Welcome back, Freedom Savers. It's crazy aggressive dividend time. So it's Friday and time for the update on the crazy aggressive dividend portfolio, which used to be the aggressive dividend portfolio, aggressive taxable portfolio. Either way, you get the point. If you've watched the videos of this transformation I've made this week, it took me like 3 to 4 days to convert this portfolio to what it is now. This is a very aggressive and risky portfolio now. Previously, I only had 6 stocks. They weren't that risky. I used, my normal process of picking them, whatnot, and expanded my horizon a little bit with 1 or 2 of them, which raised overall yield. But this time, I have gone all in with craziness. Let's just take a quick look here. So this is what used to be my aggressive dividend portfolio, but I've added 4 stocks to it. I've added MVO Oil Trust, Government Properties, Masaba Trust, and Gladstone Capital. So these are very high yielding stocks and also very risky. These trusts are basically just trusts for private companies. Government is a REIT that pays like 20% yield, and Gladstone Capital is a CBT, blah, 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 a BDC, Business Development Company. There we go. Anyways, and it pays a very high yield of 9.93. Now, Gladstone, this is part of the same group as Gladstone Commercial. This one's just a little more risky because it deals with debt. So that's that part. Let's quickly go over this part. So watch my other videos and you'll know a lot more details about this. But basically, this is another guy's portfolio, which is a high yield investor, and all he's investing in is debt, basically. So we have nothing but BDCs and MREITs, so business development companies and mortgage REITs. Mortgage REITs, of course, are real estate investment trusts that own mortgages instead of real estate. Business development companies give loans out to small and medium-sized businesses, which are riskier. As you can see, I've got 50-50 in here. It's down a little bit. I just got this settled like yesterday. So don't give it a lot of criticism here. It just started. I mean, I barely have anything in these yet. So anyways, holdings wise, shares, you can see my biggest shares are those first 6 that I've been investing in, and then the other 44 stocks. Let's just go to the spreadsheet, make it much easier. So overall, we've deposited $470 with the $20 referral, and current value is $446.28. So we are down $23.72, which really doesn't take into account this whole new 44 stocks that are risky hasn't really had a huge effect on the portfolio yet, as it's only been invested in for like 1 day. But on the dividend side, it kind of already made a change. The first day I got 3 cents in earned dividends, so that's pretty good. Dividend changes, I'm not going to go over this too much because, well, I'll go over a little bit. I added all these risky stocks, and a lot of these dividends fluctuate from month to month or quarter to quarter by a lot. Like 1 month it could be 5 cents, the next month it could be as high as $1. The fluctuation and the yield on this portfolio is going to fluctuate up and down on a pretty regular basis. There's some exceptions in here. Basically, TPVG currently shows an annual dividend of 40 cents instead of $1.44, but its actual yield is $1.44 currently. There's a 10-cent special dividend that's messing up that calculation. Same thing down here. It showed 330, but it's actually 234 because they have a special dividend. This one here is currently at 79. Now, MORL is pretty wild. And when I say they fluctuate, they fluctuate. They actually are currently giving out a 23% dividend yield, which is insane. But right now, with 79 cents, I think it calculates to like 5. But next month, could be $1. Next month, this could be $2. You don't know what this is going to be next month. So it's just very volatile, causing the numbers to be skewed. And this one, NLY, it shows an annual dividend of 31 cents, but it paid a lot more before that. and the average is $1.20. Everything I'm seeing says that it's still $1.20, and this 31 cents is due to them having a merger recently, and they actually just paid out like a short period dividend, which subtracted from this next dividend. So that's how I think it happened. And then this one down here shows $4.20 annually when it's really only under $2, and that's because of a special dividend that's getting paid out as well. Let's go to the yearly, see how all this affected my portfolio. As you can see, all the stocks are here, and we have some pretty high yields going here. Let's take a quick look. 22% dividend yield, 21.9%, 18.5%, 16.4%, 15%, etc., etc., etc. We have some high yielding, high risk stocks in here. Overall, my yearly income on this portfolio now has jumped to $42.23 per year, which comes to $3.52 per month. I've invested a total of $470, and that is giving me a current return of 8.99%. Remember, all these risky ones I just added have not really kicked in and made a difference here. They have made a difference, obviously, but not a lot. So there's been 3 investing days for me. I've invested 3 times this week for a total of $125 I put into this portfolio, which gives me an extra $13.27 a year in dividends, assuming that nothing goes broke. Which gives me a yield on cost of a whopping 10.62%, which is what the goal of this portfolio currently is, to have a 10% plus yield. So that's that. I will do some more videos, hopefully, if I ever get more time. I'm constantly working 6 days a week right now. Most of those days are over 10 hours a day. So finding time to make the videos is pretty tough. But if I get some more time, I will go over more of these companies and stocks in here and tell you my opinion on them. So that's that. That's the update for Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope your portfolios are doing awesome. Keep investing, keep increasing those dividends, and stay cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.